Get ready to unlock your potential and take charge of your destiny. So, buckle up and join us on this thrilling journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Welcome to AJ's Info, the place where you build career and reach new heights of success. Micro skills that will have a significant impact on your journey of growth. These are small but mighty skills that can make a world of difference in your personal and professional life. Number 1. Getting people excited. To get people excited, you need to tap into their emotions and create a sense of anticipation and enthusiasm. Begin your communication with a bold statement, an intriguing question, or a captivating story that instantly captures their interest. People love hearing about real-life experiences and how others have achieved success. Number 2. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your own emotions and those of others. It involves empathy, self-awareness, and effective interpersonal skills. Imagine being able to navigate your emotions with grace and harness their power for personal and professional success. Number 3. Mindfulness. Ever feel like life is passing you by in a whirlwind? Enter mindfulness, a practice that brings you back to the present moment. By cultivating mindfulness, you'll enhance your focus, reduce stress, and find a sense of inner peace amidst the chaos. It's like having your very own superpower to navigate life's ups and downs with grace. Number 4. Learning to learn. Yes, you heard it right, learning how to learn is a skill in itself. Discover effective techniques for absorbing and retaining information, such as spaced repetition, mind mapping, and active recall. Unleash your brain's potential and become a learning machine, absorbing knowledge faster and more efficiently. Number 5. Listening to the other side. Listening to the other side is an essential skill that promotes understanding, empathy, and effective communication. By actively engaging with diverse perspectives, we foster stronger relationships, broaden our own horizons, and contribute to a more inclusive society. So, let's embrace the power of listening, opening ourselves up to different viewpoints, and creating a world where diverse voices are valued and respected. Number 6. Creative problem solving. Get ready to unleash your inner creativity. Creative problem solving is about thinking outside the box, exploring unconventional solutions, and embracing your imagination. Say goodbye to cookie-cutter approaches and hello to innovative problem solving that sparks game-changing results. Number 7. Self-reflection. Take a moment to pause, look inward, and engage in self-reflection. This micro skill allows you to gain self-awareness, understand your strengths and weaknesses, and identify areas for growth. By exploring your inner world, you'll unlock profound personal insights that guide your journey of self-improvement. Number 8. Conflict resolution. Conflicts are a part of life, but resolving them with finesse is a valuable skill. Learn the art of constructive dialogue, active listening, and finding win-win solutions. With conflict resolution skills in your toolkit, you'll turn challenging situations into opportunities for growth and strengthen your relationships along the way. Number 9. Giving little more than you take. When you consistently give more than you take, you show others that you genuinely care and value their well-being. It creates a sense of reciprocity and encourages a supportive and collaborative environment where everyone feels seen, heard, and appreciated. Embracing the principle of giving little more than you take is a powerful way to enrich your relationships, foster personal growth, and create a positive impact in the world. Number 10. Gratitude. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the power of gratitude. Cultivating an attitude of gratitude shifts your focus to the positive aspects of life, enhances your well-being, and deepens your appreciation for the little things. This often overlooked skill will fill your days with joy, contentment, and a renewed zest for life. These are the 10 micro skills you need to have in the path of success. As you embark on this journey, remember the importance of giving little more than you take. Practice empathy, active listening, and understanding. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. Subscribe the channel for more enriching videos. Until we meet again, keep learning, keep growing, and keep inspiring others with your newfound micro skills.